Hello guys, welcome to another update on the stock screener. So in the last video we bought Grand Colombia Gold, and as you can see here it has gone up more than 30%. So I'm still holding it, but for the stock screener I'm going to go into another stock just to advise on another stock pick. So let's sell these Grand Colombia Gold shares. We have 500 shares here. So we're going to sell those 500, 500, and we're going to sell them at this price. So it has gone up above the $4, which was my target. Like this. And you can see here that we have 70% profit because we started at $1,000. And we're going to buy another stock now. And I think that uh, rare earths are very interesting at this moment um, because the rare earth prices have actually come down all the way to the historical level now. You can also see that here we had a peak in 2011 and it has gone down more than 70% and is now pretty much bottoming out. So it's a good time to buy it. And we also have the trade wars between the US and China. And China is going to ban exports of rare earths. It's speculation, of course, but if it happens, then rare earth prices could go up um, for the US because they won't get the rare earths anymore from China. And you can see here that China is providing 80% of rare earths to the world, to the US. And you can see that only from 2011 that the rest of the world is starting to produce the rare earths. So if China is going to ban this red uh, rare earth 80% here, then these guys will need to uh, provide rare earths to the United States. So what we're actually going to do is buy companies from this section here. And when you look at the export numbers from China, you can actually see what happened in May last month. And that's exports from China went down 16% from April to 3,640 tons in May. So that's a drop. And that's also an 18% drop from a year earlier. So actually, it is actually happening already. So which company are we going to buy? We're going to buy Neo Performance Materials, which is actually Molycorp, which was bankrupt and uh, did a new IPO in 2017. So you can see here the history of Neo Performance Materials. It was acquired by Molycorp in 2012, then it went bankrupt, and it did another IPO in 2017, and it emerged around 400 million in market cap. Now at this moment it is also 400 million. Yeah, this is Canadian dollars. And let's look at the price to book ratio. It's at 1, so it's not overvalued. It doesn't have any debt at all, only 10 million of debt. So it's pretty risk-free. You can also get a dividend of 3%, and earnings PE is 11. On the high side, but acceptable. Now the stock did go down because of the rare earth prices that weren't really accommodative. It went down here. What's also very interesting is that you can see here that it went up and then it went back down. Well, in December 2018, this company got a buyout offer at this price, around $16, and that deal didn't go through, and then it plunged again to the lows here. So actually, there's a good chance that this stock will go back to this $16 level in a few years, because that's actually the value that someone wants to pay to buy out this company. Now, you are paid to wait, you get dividend, and it will have 10% earnings per year based on the PE ratio. Now, it is a profitable company. Earnings are positive, so it's a very risk-free return here. That's why we will buy a Neo Performance Material here. Let's buy 100 shares for 1,300 CAD. And let's do that now. Neo Performance Materials. We buy 100 shares at 13.05. And we've done that here. The red button here. Okay. Hope it will go up. I'm pretty sure that it will. Based on this chart here, this gap will close, definitely. So I'll see you in the next video.